In this tutorial, we will explain how to create a bleed in Adobe Illustrator CC. Bleed is the margin you need to add to the size of your label. It is the area of the design that extends beyond the cut line of the label. Bleed is used in printing to compensate for machine shifts and to prevent white edges from appearing on the border. To start, create a new document in Adobe Illustrator. To do this, open the File menu and select New. In the New Document window, go to the Print tab. Here, you can enter the final format size and the bleed settings. Our standard bleed is 2.5 mm on all sides. Finally, click the Create button. The white area of the newly created document represents the final format, while the surrounding area up to the red outline represents the 2.5 mm bleed. Now, place the background elements that will be printed up to the edge of the label. To do this, select these elements using the selection tool and drag them 2.5 mm beyond the cut line, up to the bleed line. This bleed is necessary to avoid any slight misalignments during cutting, which could result in unwanted white edges. Also, make sure that important graphic elements, such as text, are placed within the safe margin, meaning at least 2 mm from the cut line of your label. If you need to add bleed to an existing document, go to File and select Document Setup. Set the unit to millimeters and enter the standard 2.5 mm bleed in all 4 input fields. To save your file as a PDF, select File and click on Save As. In the Format option, choose Adobe PDF. It is important to check the Marks and Bleeds section and select the option Use Document Bleed Settings. Now, save the document. The 2.5 mm bleed settings should be applied automatically.